welcome back to my channel SNF Mentor. Today we have an essential topic to discuss: your digestive system. Your digestive system plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being. It is responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients and eliminating waste. In this video we will share you 10 effective ways to improve your digestive system and promote better health. Number 1. Eat fiber-rich food. One of the best ways to support your digestive health is by consuming plenty of fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation and support a healthy gut microbe. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for digestion. It helps break down food and move it through your digestive tract. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your digestive system functioning optimally. Number 3. Probiotics. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables in your diet. Probiotics help maintain a balanced gut flora, which is crucial for proper digestion and immune function. Number 4. Avoid overeating. Overeating can overwhelm your digestive system, leading to discomfort and indigestion. Practice meaningful eating and stop when you are satisfied, not when you are stuffed. Number 5. Chew your food thoroughly. Proper chewing your food aids digestion by breaking down food particles into smaller, more manageable pieces. This reduces the workload on your stomach and makes nutrient absorption more efficient. Number 6. Limit processed food. Processed food often contain additives and preservatives that can be harsh on your digestive system. Number 7. Regular exercise. Physical activity can stimulate the muscles of your digestive tract, helping to move food through your system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Number 8. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact your digestive health. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Number 9. Avoid trigger foods. Identify and avoid food that trigger digestive discomfort, such as spicy food, fatty foods, or those you may be intolerant to. Everyone's triggers are different, so pay attention to your body signals. Number 9. Get adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including digestive health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. Number 10. Avoid taking bath right after meal. Digestion requires a lot of energy and a good amount of blood flow toward the stomach. When you take a bath or shower right after eating dinner, it causes a slight decrease in body temperature. It is advisable to wait at least 30 to 45 minutes after any meal before bathing. A healthy digestive system is the cornerstone of good health, and making these simple lifestyle changes can make a significant difference. Remember, everyone's digestive system is unique, so it is essential to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. If you found this video helpful, so please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.